It's Kiddspaddie!
Hello, friends! Hi, Kiddspaddie has a big surprise box today. What's inside? Let's sing, clap, and find out together! Here's a box, what could it be? Shake, 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 come look with me. Round and shiny, big or small, let's open it up. Surprise for all. Surprise box! Hooray, hooray! What will we find inside today? Surprise box, clap and cheer outside. Toys and fun are waiting here. Open the box, what's the prize? A teddy bear with sparkling eyes. Soft and cuddly, hug it tight. Our new friend brings us delight. Open again, oh what's this? A racing car that goes whoosh whoosh. We're zooming fast around the track. Vroom vroom, here it comes back. Zooming fast around the track. Vroom vroom, here it comes back. Surprise box, hooray hooray! 3 new toys to make us play. Surprise box, clap and cheer outside. We'll open more throughout the year. One more toy, let's take a peek. A robot dancing with glowing feet. Beep and bop, it spins around, singing songs with a happy sound. Surprise box, hooray, hooray! 3 new toys to make us play. Surprise box, clap and cheer outside. We'll open more throughout the year.
If you had fun watching, give us a big thumbs up, share the fun with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new adventure. Thanks for watching.